This is a quick video to show how to make your powered ramp manual. First step is to turn off the emergency ramp release switch. You will need to pull this ramp up with quite a bit of force, but it will go in. And gently push. There, we stopped. Place your hand on the emergency lift arm to put pressure to make the ramp go in. But make sure the arm is all the way down. Once the ramp is in, ensure you switch on the emergency ramp release switch. Then shut your tailgate as normal with your remote.